Hello lovely people, welcome back to our channel Health and Beauty Vibes. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy snacking. Yes, you heard it right. Snacks that are not only delicious but also packed with all the nutrients your body needs, perfect for supporting your weight loss journey. So, let's get started. First up, we have Soybean Tikki, a protein-packed snack that's sure to satisfy your cravings. Soybeans are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, essential for muscle repair and maintenance. These tikkis are delicious and low in calories, making them the perfect guilt-free snack for your weight loss journey. To make soybean tikkis, start by soaking 1 cup of soybeans overnight. Once soaked, drain the soybeans and grind them into a coarse paste. In a mixing bowl, combine the soybean paste with 1 mashed potato, finely chopped onion, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, cumin powder, coriander powder, and salt to taste. Mix everything well. Next, shape the mixture into round tikkis and coat them with a thin layer of corn flour. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat, add a little oil, and shallow fry the tikkis until they turn golden brown and crispy on both sides. And there you have it, delicious soybean tikkis packed with protein and flavor. The second, we have a Chickpea and Sprouts Chaat, a nutritious snack that's bursting with freshness. Chickpea and Sprouts Chaat, a crunchy and satisfying snack that's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Chickpeas are rich in protein and fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied, while sprouts add a refreshing crunch and a boost of nutrients. This chaat is not only delicious, but also great for regulating blood sugar levels and supporting heart health, making it a perfect addition to your weight loss meal plan. Who says healthy eating has to be boring? Simply combine boiled chickpeas, mixed sprouts, chopped onion, tomato, green chili, and cilantro in a bowl. Season with lemon juice, chaat masala, and salt to taste. Toss everything together until well combined. Garnish with some crunchy sev if you like, and your chickpea and sprouts chaat is ready to enjoy. Who says healthy eating has to be boring? And there you have it, amazing snacks for weight loss that are as delicious as they are nutritious. Which one will you be trying first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and wellness tips. Until next time, happy snacking.